Ryan Breton has our forecast. We are locked into a wet stretch now. We're in it.
We sure are, Brian. We're waiting on the rain, which is very close, but has struggled most of the day to make it into the Pine Tree State. But you can see the storm right now. It's really wound up, and it just will slowly move through the northeast over these next few days. Raining at a pretty good rate right now in parts of southern New Hampshire down toward Boston, but around here we've just had some mist and drizzle. No steady rain so far, but that will start changing tonight as this begins moving to the northeast. It's been chilly and raw, though, all day long. 45 right now in Portland, 44 in Bangor, and we're at 43 degrees in Lewiston. So the storm system is centered right here, but it's actually going to do a loop. It backs into New England, back through New York State, exits New Jersey, then heads toward Nova Scotia. All that takes until Saturday night to happen, which is why we've got a couple of days of unsettled weather coming up. So this is the map at 10 o'clock tonight. Showers overspreading about the western half of the state. Eastern Maine still mainly dry at that point. Showers continue toward and after midnight, but then this band of heavy rain comes up toward about sunrise tomorrow. And as this comes through, there will be a gusty east wind for a few hours tomorrow morning, and there may be some wind gusts on the coast that get to at least 30 to 40 miles per hour and possibly a bit higher. Can't rule out an isolated power outage, but it's a short duration of gusty winds, so not too concerned about that. But it will be very wet 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning as this band lifts through the state. By 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, we should be drying out over York and Cumberland counties while it's still raining in a lot of central Maine, but this does keep moving north. So even in the greater Bangor area by lunchtime, just a few showers while the steadier rain moves through northern Maine. And in southern areas, we get a few hours of dry weather around midday tomorrow before another round of showers develops for tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. This is 6 o'clock, and at that point it won't be raining everywhere, but there will be some showers out there. Now overnight tomorrow night, we continue to get some bands of rain moving through, and Saturday looks to be cloudy and wet, showery with periods of rain, particularly in the morning. Some hope that the later afternoon may turn a bit drier, but also a flip to wet snow that happens mainly in the higher elevations, but can't rule out a few wet snowflakes falling in a few other places farther south as the colder air wraps in. So we're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain, and there could be some locally higher amounts where some consistent downpours set up. As for the snow, for any real accumulation, you've got to get up in elevation, but the White Mountains and around Sugarloaf and Saddleback could get several inches up over 2,000 feet. So good news for ski season, getting an early start. Seas 4 to 6 feet, southeast winds will be gusty out on the water tomorrow. So periods of rain through the day tomorrow, but especially late morning and midday, we may get a little bit of sunshine. Cloudy for Saturday with more showers, especially first half of the day, and there may be some snow that mixes in up in the mountains. Dry on Sunday, but it's a breezy, brisk, chilly day with a northwest wind. Should be dry on Monday. A weak system comes in Tuesday with some rain and snow showers. And right now, Brian, Thanksgiving looks dry, but there's a storm that's possible on Friday. A ways out, but it's something we'll keep an eye on between now and then.
Busy week ahead. All right, Ryan, thank you.
You're welcome.